Okay, so welcome everybody. Callouts from Friday were insane. Somebody do the math for me. We're bumping. First and foremost, we had this really cool trade here. This guy was 1.4%, 379 ticks. Pretty cool. We didn't quite get to 2731. We were close, but we didn't quite get there. But we did come back and we broke that same level. So this one here was almost 2%. 2%. Okay? Insane, right? I mean, so we have 2%, we have 3.5% here, guys. The other thing that we had drawn out and that we were looking for was also a break of this trend line here. So even if you missed this first one and somehow missed these other trades, you would have had a trend line break. So we are 3.5% on gold alone in literally 2 trades. NASDAQ, just as good. We first and foremost, we retested here, failed to break it. So this first trade was 625 ticks, which is great. It's just great. What else did we have? We broke here and we retested here. So what I would do if I was you is I would look at this as a twofold trade. First and foremost, we had this guy, 200 ticks. We had a rejection here that came down 348 ticks. Then we kind of bounced around after that, which were all about 300 ticks on every single one of these bounces. So you guys are well over 1% and 6, 7, 8, well over 1,200 ticks on NASDAQ alone. Oil was so much fun on Friday. Look at the precision here. So we rejected here multiple times. I'm on the 30-minute chart. You had an hour and a half to get in on this trade. So from 7, 7:30, 8, which is where we were starting our call out. Between 8 and 9, that 30-minute gap was really cool. If you missed it, you had 69.86. But this was 3%. This was 213 ticks. Super cool. We rejected again over here, but we'll just count the 3% on oil. That was it. That was Friday. Friday was bumping. Exactly what we want. Exactly what we're looking for. Exactly how these callouts work. Again, you guys are close to 10% in a day. Close to 10%. It takes people a year to do this in a 401k. I hope you guys were involved in those trades. As far as today goes,